Hello students, today we are going to learn our first poem, Song of the Open Road Part 2. It is on page number 94 and 95 of textbook. Today we will see line number 9 to end of the poem. It's a poem of Walt Whitman and it is in the dramatic monologue. In the previous part, we saw that poet himself is a speaker and he expressed his wish to travel through the world. He knew that so many difficulties will come before him in his traveling, in his journey. But he is ready to face all those obstacles, all those difficulties. In the first part, I told you this poem is in the metaphorical form, means his journey on the roads. He indirectly compared with his journey in life. Done with indoor complaints, libraries, querulous criticism. Querulous means the complaining. Poet says that he isn't give any complaint. He isn't give any reason to start his journey. He isn't give anybody complaints. He isn't give blame to anybody to start his journey. He knew that when he will start his journey, people criticize him, others criticize him, but he isn't give attention towards those criticism and he started to start his journey. He is ready to start his journey. Strong and content I travel the open road, the earth that is sufficient. The poet says that he is not only a complaining man. He doesn't give excuses. He is strong enough to face challenges. Yes, strong and content I travel to open road. Yes, he says that. Yes, I am strong enough. Poet says that yes, I am strong enough to face challenges. या कवितेमध्ये कवी म्हणतो की यस मी स्ट्रॉंग इनफ आहो, मी मजबूत आहो की जे काही चॅलेंजेस माझ्या समोर येईल, जे काही ऑब्स्टॅकल्स म्हणजे अडथळे जे माझ्या समोर येईल त्या अडथळ्यावर मात करून सामोर जाण्यासाठी मी तयार आहो असं कवी म्हणतो आहे. आय डू नॉट वॉन्ट द कॉन्स्टलेशन्स एनी नियरर. कॉन्स्टलेशन्स means here the destiny. The poet says that to travel through the road, to travel through the world, he doesn't need anybody's support. He is not dependent on his destiny. Destiny म्हणजे नसीब. He isn't ready to depend on fate, on his own base. He wanted to fulfill his dream. I know they are very well where they are. I know they suffice for those belong to them. He says that yes, I know कि so many peoples criticize me, but after all I am ready to start my journey. The earth has given me enough, so I don't need anything from others. I don't need others' help. Yes, with my own ability. The poet says that yes, I will ready to win over the obstacles. कवी म्हणतो, poet says that की या भूमीने, या मातृभूमीने मला खूप काही दिलेलं आहे, ते पुरेसं आहे. सो त्यामुळे मला कोणाची मदत पाहिजे नाही माझ्या आयुष्यामध्ये. जे काही माझ्या समोर ऑब्स्टॅकल्स येईल त्या ऑब्स्टॅकलवर, त्या अडथळ्यावर मात करण्याची हिंमत माझ्यामध्ये आहे. नाउ इन द लास्ट 4 lines he separate himself from the others. Yes, now we see the last 4 lines. In these 4 lines, yes, he present himself something extraordinary than others. See here, still here I carry my delicious burdens, I carry them men and women. Yes, here poet says that yes, I carry my delicious burdens. Listen here, how is the line? I carry my delicious burden. But he has burdens. Whose burden the poet has? Yes, he has the burdens of his relatives and some closer persons. Not to go for the journey, not to go outside of the house. He has such type of burdens. But the poet says that those burdens is delicious. But the burdens कसे आहे? Delicious आहे. Here poet use the paradox figure of speech. कवीने इथे paradox figure of speech वापरलेली आहे की yes, delicious means you know that happy, you know, and burdens means some problems, means adverse situation. Here poet use the opposite words, but it is a truth, and so it is a paradox figure of speech. त्याच्यामुळे ही लाईन जी आहे paradox figure of speech आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये कवीने opposite words किंवा opposite ideas वापरली आहे, but it is a truth. Still I here carry my delicious burden, I carry them men and women, I carry them with my wherever I go, I swear it is impossible for me to get rid of them. The poet says that yes, I carry my delicious burdens. Yes, so many peoples are ready to stop me. Yes, I have good memories about my family members. I have good memories about my close relatives, and those good memories make me stop, but I am not stopped. Instead of I stop by coming under their delicious burden, yes, I will take my relatives, take my close persons, those wants to stop me, yes, I will take them with me in my journey of life, in my journey of world. Students, in this way this poem come to end. Now in this poem we see some poetic devices like paradox, transfer repeated, etc. What you will do at home? Yes, after seeing this video you will try to find out the answers of questions those are given after completing this on the back pages of this textbook in exercise part. I will also provide you PDFs or the answer of few questions in our group. I hope you will understand this poem. If you have any problems, you will tell me. Thank you.